welcome to another tnAchieves tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to update your TSAC student portal to the college that you plan to attend this fall. Your first step is to go to your TSAC student portal, which is the same portal you used when you applied for the Tennessee Promise Scholarship. Since you've already been to this portal, you should have a username and password already created, but if you've forgotten your username or password, please select those options below. If you know your login credentials, use those to sign in and press the login button. Next, you'll be asked to verify a personal image. This is the image you selected when you created your TSAC student portal account. Please verify that that is the image you selected and select "Yes, that's my image." Next, you'll be taken to your financial aid summary. Here you will find all of the scholarships that you have applied for under your TSAC student portal. Go to your Tennessee Promise Scholarship and click Transfer School. Here you will be taken to your school transfer request. You will see a paragraph at the top explaining to you what this means. In summary, you are selecting where you would like your state aid to be applied to this fall. Scroll through the menu of options until you find the school that you plan to attend. Select that school and verify that all the information is correct, and then select Process Transfer Request. You will then be taken to a confirmation page explaining that your transfer request has successfully been submitted. When you have read this confirmation, please select Done. Next, you'll be taken back to that financial aid summary where you can see all the scholarships you have applied for under your TSAC student portal. Please note that you will see the institution has not quite been updated. It will take 1 to 2 business days for that transfer request to successfully process and show on your financial aid summary. Please check back in a couple of days and make sure that that process has happened. When you are finished in your TSAC student portal, you may click the Logout button and return to the home page. If you have any questions about your TSAC student portal or your Tennessee Promise Scholarship, please do not hesitate to reach out to us at tnAchieves. We are always happy to help.